chamada, chamada na cena. Chamada, 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 chamada na cena. Marcada, chamada. Vet en tutkan, habibi. Kerim. Sorry sir.
What is AI trading, and does it really work?
Today we're testing Supreme Pro A-Bot, which has been operating for over 2 years. This AI takes into account many factors
a huge amount of data to give a signal that the user analyzes and decides whether to follow it or not. It's important to understand that trading carries risks and may lead to financial losses. This video is not a promotion of financial services and does not contain investment advice. Let's start trading.
Wait! Before we start this video, make sure you like this video. Your support motivates me to create more videos for you. So smash that like button fast.
Let's start trading.
Let's start first. Open the Supreme Pro AI bot. Now click Binary Trading. Choose OTC. Click Quotex. OTC pair. Choose trading time. Let wait for signal. Gives me call means up direction signal. Let open Quotex in my browser and press my trade. Successfully profit. Let takes more trades. I will take some trades so that the video is not.
All the ladies hold up, hop in the ride, it's a brand new motor. Get on the fly, live la vida loca. Nobody find. Hold on. No one no sleep and I swear to total. Throwing it back when I press rewind. Losing her mind when she see that motion. Yeah, straight to the bag, getting racks in the morning. Starboy on the field named Marin. Feel like Brazil had a man them ballin'. Shoot my shot, then I'm scoring. No one does it better. Body curving, how she swerving like a Travella. We can have a party in the favela. Swerving like a Travella. We can have a party in the. You never see this. Go full songs in the billboards. You don't even know about me, no. Used to listen to so much, you know. They said I would never, ever get better. They said I would never, ever get better. Party in there, party in there. Party in there, party in there.
Hey, I'm FX Shakib Sheikh. Join my Telegram community, link in bio. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.